Why I buy Texas Pride? Well, hello, my name is Villatoro. I own Villatoro Group, LLC, and I purchased 3 dumpster setup from Texas Pride. I have a remodeling company and also a roofing company, and this is what I need for my business, and that's why I bought it. I came all the way from Fort Lauderdale to buy the 3-can roll-out system. And the reason why I bought a Texas trailer setup was I saw one of my friends. He has a remodeling company also, and I love the way the system works for him. You know, it's so easy to drop it off to the jobs, pick it up, and go dump it to the landfill, and he's done, you know, so he's set up. Yeah, I looked at other companies, trailer companies, before I decided to buy from Texas Pride, and I really look into the systems, and the reason why I bought this system is because they're built strong, and they have all the right things that we need as far as my company's needs are. Yeah, through this whole deal, when I started, you know, ordering the cans, Matt Biggs, he was always there all the time. I was a pain in the ass always. And they waited for me for such a long time because I'm all the way from Fort Lauderdale, you know, 20+ hour drive, and I'm finally here to pick up my system. Here the crew, when I arrived, they had the system ready for me, ready to be hitched up on the truck. They hooked it up, everything, to make sure the lights are working. So now I'm heading back to Fort Lauderdale. And that's why I buy Texas Pride.